Hello everyone, welcome back to On-Off Arif, where we make technology simple and fun. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a video on desktop background. Whether you're streaming, recording tutorials, or just watching your favorite content, this tutorial will come in handy. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, choose the video you want to play on your screen. It could be a YouTube video, a tutorial, or even a movie. Step 1. We need to install some software to make this happen. So, let's head over to our web browser. I'm searching the software we need, which is Lively Wallpaper. You can find the link to download it in the description below. After the download is complete, let's open the software. No need to install it separately, as it automatically installs. Search for the software here and open it. Click the plus icon to add a video. Here, you'll see two options. The first is to upload a video from your desktop storage. Alternatively, you can add a YouTube link here. Let's collect a YouTube video link. I have a YouTube video link. I will add the video here now. We can see a title here. You can name it anything you want. I have added the link. Let's set up the video on desktop screens. Wow, indeed, it's beautiful. It works perfectly. You can try to add more such beautiful videos as background on your desktop. Please let me know if you encounter any problems. Don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you.